You're sitting there at your desk and your wrist starts to ache again. Maybe it is from typing all day, or maybe it is just that old injury acting up. Then an ad pops up for a gleaming band of solid copper. It is the Buck Davison magnetic bracelet. It looks impressive. It looks heavy. It looks like it belongs on the wrist of someone who knows how to get things done. The marketing is incredibly polished. They tell you it is made from 100% solid copper. They talk about these rows of high-strength magnets. There are 3 magnets tucked into every single link. It sounds like a powerhouse of engineering right there on your arm. The promise is simple. Wear this and your tension will melt away. Your mobility will return. You will feel like a younger version of yourself. It is a very seductive story. We all want to believe in a simple fix. We want a wearable solution that requires 0 effort. They even offer a 60-day money-back guarantee to make the decision feel safe. If it does not work, you just send it back. But we need to take a breath and look at the reality behind the shine. There's a massive gulf between a piece of jewelry and a medical treatment. Copper has been used in ornaments for thousands of years. People love the aesthetic. They love the way it patines over time. But when a brand starts making claims about arthritis or circulation, you have to ask for the receipts. Scientific evidence for magnetic therapy is notoriously thin. Most rigorous studies show that magnets do not actually change blood flow or repair joints. The strength of the magnet does not matter if the biology does not react to it. You might find yourself feeling better just because you expect to feel better. That is the power of the mind. It is not the power of the copper. You have to keep your expectations in check. If you want a stylish accessory that has a rugged and industrial look, then this bracelet might be a great choice. It is well designed. It looks premium, but do not confuse style with science. Before you click that buy button, you should dig into the verified reviews. Look for the people who have used it for months. See if their results lasted. Check the fine print on that warranty too. Sometimes getting your money back is harder than the ad makes it sound. We live in a world where marketing often runs circles around the actual evidence. It is easy to get swept up in the hype of a new health gadget. We are looking for relief, and these companies know exactly how to promise it. But true mobility comes from movement and professional care. A bracelet is just an object. It is a tool for fashion. It is not a miracle cure. Be honest with yourself about why you want it. If it is for the look, then enjoy it. If it is for a medical miracle, you might end up disappointed. Think about the materials. Think about the claims. Keep your feet on the ground. Do not let a glossy website dictate your health choices. Be a savvy consumer. Look past the magnets and see the product for what it really is. It is a piece of copper. It is a style choice. It is not a doctor in a box. Stay curious and stay skeptical. Your health and your wallet will thank you for it in the long run.